starting my day with coffee this morning. It's kind of a form of self-care for me that I really like to do. I sit outside with my cats, usually come say hi and listen to the birds chirp. It is 10:45 and so far I've had my coffee, and today I'm feeling really hungry, so when I get home I think I'm going to make that smoothie that came in the ferment box. Sounds pretty good. I'm currently sitting and waiting to pick my son up from his All-Stars practice. They're practicing this morning because their games are tomorrow, and I'm excited, and I have to go home and pack a lot of food. It's now 1 o'clock. I finally made my smoothie, and I'll put on the screen what it is. Some of it came from the Dr. Furman box, but anyway, I got that made, and then I made the kids a mocha smoothie, which was really, really good. So they're drinking that right now, doing some yard work. I just came outside to check on them. And yeah, so I'm going to drink this while I start packing and getting food ready for our trip. And I'm just now eating because I picked my daughter up from babysitting and then had to take her to the store. And then when I got back, the boys had found tadpoles, and so we had to check those out. So anyway, time to pack. It is now 4 o'clock on Friday, and I've been packing and getting food ready. And I'm really hungry again. I haven't finished my smoothie yet, but I've just been sipping on it. I just really wanted to eat some food. I had pasta, gluten-free pasta with like a spaghetti sauce that I had made. Those birds are chirping so loud. It's beautiful though. So I have like spaghetti pasta type dish, and then I had a quarter cup or half cup, I don't really know, left of that soup that I was eating yesterday, and so I just poured it over with it. And then I sprinkled some garden vegetable seasoning on it. Oh my gosh, butter on my food. Sprinkled that on it. It's like magic dust. It's so good. But that's my food. I'm going to eat it outside to kind of regroup and see what else I need to do to get ready for our trip.
Big dreams lead to big things, and big swings lead to big rings. Championships or the big screen. Anyone who did anything took a big swing. And big dreams lead to big things.
It's now 7 o'clock on Friday, and we just got back from her t-ball game. Are you being a goober? Okay, she just got done playing t-ball, and we're going to pack the van. We have our clothes in there. We need to get food ready, huh? I mean, it's basically ready. We just need to get it packed in there. And then we're
going swimming.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes. And we're just waiting on your daddy to get off work, huh? So as soon as he gets off of work and gets his stuff packed up, we can head out of town, which it's a 2-hour drive. So I hope it's not going to be too much later.
2 hours?
Mm-hmm.
You never told me that.
Mm-hmm.
I have to pack a lot of stuff.
Oh, no. I'm taking sweet potatoes with us with that sour cream and the green onions and stuff. So I'm working on getting stuff packed up, and I'll show you what I'm eating right now. So 2 strawberries that didn't fit in the container that I'm taking with the sweet potato and the vegan sour cream. This is what came in the Mama Sezz box. And I would eat a bunch of greens with this, but I don't have any easy to grab, and I had a bunch in my smoothie earlier, so I'm gonna call this good. It's 11:30 at night, and we just made it to the town that my son's going to play in. And on the way here, because it's late and I'm tired, I tried one of these Aspire drinks. They have caffeine in them, but it's 80 milligrams, which is a little more than a cup of coffee, I think. And then I got hungry about 30 minutes ago or so, and so I ate a Z-bar and then I ate another Z-bar just now because I'm hungry. But anyway, my husband and daughter went to go get my son because he came up here with a friend, and then we are going to our hotel and going to hopefully get some sleep because we have to get up and be at the fields by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Keep going. Looks like you have it handled.